truck is rolling through the trees. Baby zebra waves with ease. Baby elephant stomps along, singing letters loud and strong. A is for apple, B is for bee, C is for cat, E is for egg, F is for frog. Come on, let's peg. A, B, C, truck ride in the jungle. Let us singing kids all mingle. G, H, I, J, and K, learning letters every day. L is for lion, M is for moon, N is for nest, singing a tune. O is for owl, P is for pig, Q is for queen, doing a jig. R is for rainbow, S is for sun, T is for turtle, learning's fun. U is for umbrella, V is for van, W is for whale swimming in the tan. Bite in the jumbo, let us sing a read song bo. TX got a chang and chang, learning letters every day. X is for xylophone, Y is for yak, Z is for zebra. Now that's a wrap. Baby elephant and zebra too, say A, B's fun for you. Truck ride ends, but letters stay. Learn and sing every day. Baby zebra and elephant say, see you on the next day, BC way.